In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Eventbrite in Framer. Start by opening your Framer project. I'm using a project called Popular Domain, but any project works. Once you're in the canvas, open the Insert menu. If it closes while you navigate, simply open it again so it stays in view while we add our element. From the Insert panel, head into the Utility category. Here, select the Embed option, the highlighted item you'll see in the Utilities list. This creates an embed layer on your canvas, which is the container that will display your Eventbrite widget. Think of it as a flexible frame that can show content from an external source. If you already have your Eventbrite embed ready, this is the box that will host it. With the embed layer added, check its positioning. You may see it set to absolute by default. Switch it to relative so it flows naturally within your layout and responds better to its parent frame. Make sure the embed layer is selected on the canvas so the right-hand Properties panel shows its settings. Next, open the Size section in the Properties. Here you can fine-tune how the embed fits. Aim for responsive behavior. Allow the width to align with your layout and set a comfortable height so your Eventbrite content isn't cramped or cut off. If your design uses constraints, confirm they're set to keep the embed aligned across breakpoints. A quick preview at this stage can save you from layout surprises later. While you're here, refine the appearance. Adjust spacing so the embed has enough breathing room around it. If your design includes rounded corners or shadows on cards, bring those same values here so the widget feels native to your page. Now match the colors to your brand or the Eventbrite accent. Choose the hex FF5533 for a bold highlight, and pair it with FFFF for clean contrast where needed. These values are easy to read and familiar across many event designs. If your theme system supports it, toggle to Custom to preview how personalized tokens affect the component, then back to Default if you want to keep the standard palette for now. This quick compare helps you confirm contrast and visual consistency before going live. When everything looks right in the Canvas preview, go ahead and publish. Publishing lets you verify the embed behaves correctly on the live site and that sizing, positioning, and color choices hold up across devices.